Today I'm going to explain to you the wide range of models and styles available in the Longines catalogue. What I have in front of me is a range of different pieces that kind of encapsulates the different families that are under the Longines banner. Within the Elegance family, there's a lot of different sort of model ranges. Grand Classique, it's iconic watch, and the reason for that, the style suits everybody. It's a very slim watch. It's got a very fine, refined link. It means it fits on every wrist, from a very slim lady's wrist to a gent's. Battery operated. The Grand Classique ostensibly hasn't changed in decades, and I think that's because every now and again a manufacturer and a brand will hit on something that just works. The price point ranges from about the £600–700 mark up to £1,500–2,000 for models including diamonds. This is called the Dolce Vita. Again, this is another one of their iconic ranges from the Elegance family. A little bit more substantial on the wrist, but encapsulates that kind of sporty elegance. So it's a wear-all, it's something you can wear during the day as your main everyday watch, and it dresses up beautifully in the evening as well. It's just got that Art Deco elegance. The Dolce Vita starts at £930, but there are models in the Dolce Vita range that will go right up to £4,000 for gold and diamond set pieces as well. So it's a really wide price point. Watchmaking Tradition for Longines is their chance to show off their true watchmaking heritage. It will normally feature some of the best movements, some of the best value for money as well. The star of the show for the Watchmaking Tradition collection is called the Master Collection, and this shows everything that you could possibly want in one single watch. It really does show off the best of what they can do. The feel is generally more of a classic look, on nice bracelets and on leather straps as well. Longines have just brought out Record, shows off again their fantastic new automatic movements. Again, great value for money. The Watchmaking Tradition range starts at about £1,430 up to about £2,500, although for models that are gold cases and diamonds, that can go up to about £4,000. Longines Equestrian Family mirrors Longines' long involvement with the equestrian world for over 100 years. For instance, the loops that hold the strap here there to mirror the look of the stirrups. But certainly I know over the last 10 years we've seen more and more of these kind of models. I think people want a little bit of that kind of British feeling tradition, and this is very kind of horse racy, very kind of English country. Mainly a ladies' watch, but it does extend into a really nice yellow gold pocket watch collection as well. The Equestrian Family starts at around about £800 up to about £3,000 mark. The pocket watch collection that we spoke about starts at about £25,000. The Sport Family is mainly encapsulated with two families, the Conquest and the Hydro Conquest. Most of the models are sealed to withstand pressures of 100 metres plus. Ladies and gents models as well, but the gents models are exceptionally good. Longines' background initially was with a lot of sport timing, so the sports collection is quite a relevant family for Longines. It starts at around about £700 and works all the way up to about £2,500. This watch is called the VHP. VHP stands for very high precision. It's a quartz model with significant technological advances that increase its accuracy and the battery life, and for me it's one of the most exciting quartz watches that's been brought out for many years. There's an intelligent brain inside this watch that enables it to withstand shock resistance and also magnetic fields. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. The Heritage Collection is exactly that. A lot of them are reissues and remodels of things that they've done in the past. Military styled pieces, and also classic styles from the 50s and 60s. Also, I think the look of these pieces is so timeless that there's always a relevance. Price range starts from about £800 up to about £2.5. This is a new piece called the Avignation, basically a military styled chronograph. Again, the price point's amazing, it's £1,940. There's nothing else really like it. Fantastic piece. Click the link below to check the availability of Longines watches on the Burrells website. Click the subscribe button to never miss a Burrells video.